Hi, hello. Today I'm with one of my top clients here, Michael from Around the Block Healthcare. Just going to ask him a few questions of what he likes about using Cash Track's Financial to help him out there. So how you doing today, Michael?
Doing well, doing well.
Well, good
Thanks
there.
for having me for this.
Yes, well, I appreciate you taking the opportunity to take a few minutes out there. So I just got a few quick questions for you then. What were your main challenges in your business before coming to Cash Track's Financial?
So when we started this business, I mean, we knew we wanted to help people. Obviously we're a clinic, but one of the things we didn't know is how to, pay the federal government, pay our taxes. Big thing of mine is I don't want to get in trouble. So before we actually hired a CPA that was in town, and for lack of a better word, she was horribly unreliable. She actually missed due dates. She wouldn't get back to us, things like that. And um, I went online and I started looking around, and your firm came up to mine, and I called you, and you actually met me on a holiday just to kind of get us arranged, and that's when we knew you kind of took things seriously. You met us on July 4th of all days, so and that's kind of where we started. But um, we needed somebody to advise us and to um, help us get started.
Mhm. Okay.
So,
That's just wonderful, and we appreciate, of course, taking care of you. So why did you choose to invest in our firm with for your business?
well, when we talked, you kind of said, not only obviously you do taxes and everything, but that you also kind of specialize in IRS kind of taxation and stuff. And like you would kind of ensure that, as far as our books are concerned, that we're doing what's right so that the chances of auditing and all that kind of stress uh, isn't as apparent. And that was kind of reliable for me because we're busy with our families, our day jobs, and running this business. So having someone kind of watching what we're doing and advising us was just paramount.
Mhm. So what fears or obstacles did you have to overcome from your experiences with other tax professionals?
So like I said, horribly unreliable. I was afraid that if we weren't paying our taxes on time, that we would get one, get a penalty, two, keep Mikey and Jane out of jail. So so I wanted to do what was right and make sure that we were a reputable business moving forward, and in the eyes of the state and the federal agencies. So
Mhm.
um, obviously, I also feared of mismanagement. Hey, you're spending too much. You're going outside your means. You're not going to make payroll.
Mhm.
So I'm confident that if I was starting to uh, stray, you would advise me.
Mhm. Mhm. Yes. Okay.
So,
So what positive changes did you see in your life after coming to Cash Tracks Financial?
well, we got a payroll set up. We grew. Um, we grew significantly. We were able to go from a staff of two to a staff of eight. And we've been able to purchase a building. We're no longer renting. We own the building that we're going to practice medicine at. And the sky's the limit. And we wouldn't be afforded this opportunity without your advice.
Okay. So then how do you feel now that you've been with us for uh, about 16 months now?
I'll keep coming to you as long as you'll have me.
Well, and we do appreciate having you there and appreciate you taking a few moments out with us today to share your experience there and also we just like to help thank everyone for what they how they work with us and how they make it possible there. And thank you, Michael and Jane, so much because you have really helped us. You helped us to grow too, and we really appreciate that.
Yeah, and that's what it's about.